I urge the COMELEC to discharge its constitutional duty to, quote, recommend to the Congress effective measures to minimize election spending, unquote. Gentlemen of the COMELEC, where is your political will? In effect, you people in the COMELEC have to assume responsibility for the premature campaigning of these cabinet candidates because of your ruling on my petition, which I have elevated to the Supreme Court. Binigyan na kayo sana ng pagkakataon na mahinto na ito, hindi pa nag-umpisa. Ayaw nyo. Why so timorous? With the avalanche of cabinet infomercials, it has now become clear to the public that by the refusal by the COMELEC to stop premature campaigning on the basis of a technicality, COMELEC opened the way to a slippery slope. I urge the COA disallow all advertising expenses and demand that executive officials concerned should return to the government the money they used for their advertisements. Ibalik nila ang pera ng taong bayan. Ipamigay natin sa pantawid pamilya.